Good morning! Ngayon ay Sunday. Ito guys, Sunday pero nagtatrabaho ako. Oras ay 5:25 ng umaga. Lalakad ako papunta ng parking. Sa building namin, parking ay temporary, not in service. May ginawa ang management. Kaya nasa street parking kaming lahat. Temporary lang, 4 months. Nasa gilid lang ng street. No parking siya pero may special permit nagkuha ang management para makapark kami. Exercise no, every time na papunta sa sasakyan at pabalik sa bahay. Tayo ay magtrabaho today, weekend. Actually kahapon Saturday at ngayon Sunday ay magtrabaho ako. Nandito na ako sa home terminal last Thursday pa, and then hindi na ako tumatanggap ng pabalik ng US kasi ang truck ko ay may schedule siya na annual safety check. Lahat sine-check po, sine-certify ng mechanic. Dapat kasi annually may safety check. Mag-expire na kasi sa katapusan. Due siya sa Monday. So ang ginawa ko usually pag weekend, Saturday, Sunday is off na ako. Nilipat ko na lang ang weekend ko. Instead na Saturday, Sunday, Monday at saka Tuesday na lang. Ito yung sasakyan ko. Yan, so lahat kami yan. You know, circle check muna tayo. Parang truck. Hindi lang sa truck tayo mag circle check kahit na sa mga sasakyan natin. Kasi mamaya baka walang gulong yan. Alright guys, see you. 11:10, 9. Okay, habol pa. Palit sa tagkape para mainitan na tong tiyan.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Try the Grand Burger available at limited time only. Are you collecting your points today on the app?
No.
Good morning, how may I help you?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Can I have the sausage and egg McMuffin? Medium coffee, double, please. Thank you. 680. Thank you. Can I have ketchup, please? Ending shift? Almost going home?
1 more hour.
Oh, good for you. Okay, bye.
Here's Carling Donahue. Good morning, Carling. Good morning. This report is brought to you by Hakeem Optical. So far, so good on the major routes throughout the GTA. We are delay-free this morning. However, that's, of course, going to change. So just keep it tuned into City News 680 this morning. But right now, I'll just tell you where some of the overnight construction is still hanging out. On the westbound 401, of course, we've got this horrible stretch through Scarborough. Yesterday, delays were just astronomical. So today, I'll keep you posted on that. Right now, you're good to go through the stretch. I should warn you that from west of Markham Road to Kennedy in the express, only a single lane is going to get through. So keep that in mind. There's also construction in the collectors. On the eastbound 401, just east of Keele in the express, a right lane block for maintenance. The express and collector ramp to the northbound 404 both closed for construction, and no access to the east 401 from Warden. Looking at the closures for your Honda Indy Sunday here, we've got a portion of the Lakeshore shut down. So if you're traveling east or westbound, all lanes are going to be closed from British Columbia Road to Strawn. And then if you're traveling southbound on Strawn, all lanes are blocked fleet towards the Lakeshore.
Yun yung sasakyan ko. Diyan ko na iiwan. Mamaya balikan ko yan. Afternoon. Habang nag-pre-trip, habang nag-air leak test, inapakan ko yung service brake, ina-enter ko yung address sa destination. Multitasking ba? Para makasave tayo ng oras. Itong customer na to ay first time kong mapuntahan. Malapit lang, 2 hours 11 minutes sa Belleville, Ontario, papunta ng eastbound, papunta ng Montreal, Highway 401.
Please drive to highlighted route.
First time kong mapuntahan, tiningnan ko na sa Google Maps, sa trip planning ko, ayos naman, maluwag ang area doon. Kasi napakalaking warehouse siya. Tingnan ko ang ruta. Yan ang mga ginagawa ko. Tapos i-match ko siya dito sa routing ng app namin para tama ang stepping. Ang dami ko na pong experience sa stepping na yan. Nagkamali-mali tayo, nagkapalpak-palpak. Kaya ang hirap kasi napakalaki ang truck. 73 feet lahat ang total length. Hindi katulad ng kotse na kung magkamali ka pwede mong i-U-turn, backing agad. So far ayos naman sa GPS, sa routing ko. I-enter ko ang pre-trip ko dito sa ilag. Ako ay good to go na. Pre-trip, okay siya. Mabigat, almost 80,000 pounds. Pero ayos lang. Tapusin ko lang tong breakfast. Shanter, kaibigan ko. Ayos. Tayo ay good to go na. Mag-diesel muna ako. Okay, 1/4 na, 1/4.
Turn left, then take the second right. Take the ramp on the right to Highway 401 east toward Toronto. Continue for 7 kilometers.
Vehicle check. Ito guys, Eagle freight system. Ang bilis niyan, lumilipad pa yan. Eagle eh. Kami, kuan lang sa amin, sungay. Sungag-sungag lang. Nakadrive ako ng 1 hour and 15 minutes. Mag-vehicle check muna ako. Vehicle check muna on road, tapos stretching na rin. Ang ganda ng driving guys, walang traffic sa 401, diretso-diretso. Ayos, so far okay naman. Yan guys, Eagle Freight System, EFS. Kung naalala nyo, yung dalawang kababayan natin na nasawi dahil may bunggo, ano, yung taga AYR, ito yung kasalpukan niya. Kasi ito, ang bibilis patakbo, lumilipad nga, eagle. Yung mga lahi niyan, alams nyo na, parang yung nag-drive sila, parang maubusan ng daan, hinahabol, baka maubos sa unahan. Kaya ang bibilis magpatakbo nun. Mga 2 months ago, doon sa Northern Ontario. Basta yung dalawang kababayan natin na Pilipino, team driving sila. Ayos, proceed tayo.
Exit 544 on the right to Highway 37, then take the first left. In 1.5 kilometers, turn left on College Street East. In 2 kilometers, arrive at College Street East on the right.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Is it loaded?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Before?
No, ma, first time.
Okay. So the shipping and receiving office is between dock 9 and 10,
Okay.
and they'll let you know where to drop that.
Okay, between so I'll go right.
Yeah, right.
Okay. 9 and 10.
9 and 10. Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries. Yeah.